So this is 7275 kilohertz. It's 03 hours UTC. It's the radio, the voice of Turkey, but I have to say it's not very strong. 7275 kilohertz, 40 meter band. And you can hear some ham radio signals around it. This is where you see that the DX-100 doesn't have very good filters and the bandwidths are not very great. I'm going to do a little experiment here. Let's try to get a few hams here in the sideband. This must have been one of the worst ever receiver with single sideband, I gotta say that. It's almost as if the internal BFO was not strong enough to actually make a clear signal of any signal on a single sideband. No wonder I never received anything really amazing on this. I got a DX-302 after that, and this is when things got a lot better. And I wish I still had it today, because I'm really sad that I sold it in the 90s. It would have been a great radio to actually make videos with. And if anyone out there has a DX-300, DX-302 they want to donate, please don't hesitate. I'll pay the shipping fees. I'd love to have one back.